Good morning. Hi, it's me, Leigh, Leigh, even though it says Lee. It's Leigh. It's a girl spelling. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and today's project share is bicycles. Easel card bicycles using Anna Griffin new die that she has. So here's what the die looks like. You could put it on a 5x7 by using just the bike and the shadow layer, or not even the shadow layer, and then all the extra pieces. You don't have to use the easel part. So if you always wanted a bike, you can still get it. And it is called the 3D Bicycle Easel Card die. So, you know, I've had it for a couple of weeks or a month or so when it's coming out of a bag. Everything I used was Anna Griffin, and so let's just go through them. I made 4. I only use one-sided paper because when it stands up, you're not going to see the white on the back, so I saved the double-sided for something else, but it matches. This paper is the shadow layer behind the bike, but anyway, that's what it looks like. So let me hold it up for you and show you how cute. I pulled from Anna Griffin's stash the flowers and the sentiments, and so yeah, I covered up the black spokes here with the sentiment that says for you, it says you make me smile, but then this has got the black spokes and the white tire, and it's pink, and there's the stopper. Everything came with the die, but these are Anna papers just out of my stash. But there's my first one. You see the little basket, and it's all raised. So there's the first one. Here's the second one. I don't know what the paper line was. I think I pulled from different ones. Whoa, there's what it looks like as an easel card. Of course, she wants us, and we should probably use double-sided so you don't see this much white, but I'm thinking you can write a lot of hello comments, and you can write a whole little story to whoever you're sending this to with it being clear, and then when it's sitting up on a table, you're not going to see it. So anyway, that's from my stash. Isn't that beautiful? Here is a blue one. These are all girly kind, but you could make a black and red one and make boy ones. But the shape of it is an actual girl bike. But I don't know who would really know that if you made a boy color and you put Spider-Man on it. Anyway, so here is that. And is that paper not gorgeous? I found, off topic, I found a comforter, sheets, and bedspread that looks almost identical to that paper, and I just put it on my bed this week. I bought it, and it took about a month before I finally said spring is here and I'm changing out my bedroom. So that's what it looks like. Is that not beautiful? Anyway, so off topic. So anyway, look at that, and it's very three-dimensional. And then the last one, they're all 4 different colors. Here is this one, and that's the paper I used. And look at that. You make me smile. I didn't put just because. I don't always put a lot of sentiments on my cards because I want to pull it out and use it when I need it. This probably will go for a birthday or get well soon or whatever. You just never know. It could be congratulations, and I'm talking too fast, messing up my words. But yeah, so this is ideas for you to think about and do or not to do. Say, no. But you notice how the little seat is in the flag and the basket is different than the bike itself, so it's got a lot of dimension and pop dots. But yeah, if you don't like it, then you know what not to do. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe. I hope you have a great day. All the links will be down below. My I have 2 groups. One is a Texas group, one is Glue Gun Chronicles, because everyone has a glue gun. and I have a Instagram, TikTok, YouTube here, uh, a Facebook vlog where it's a blog. Um, and Facebook used to let you have a blog, and I'm glad I have it because I don't think you can get those anymore. And then 2 groups. So yeah. And in my Facebook, Victorian Dreams by Leigh, Leigh, in that Facebook, the blog, I post daily pictures and different things that you can download. They're all Victorian. They're all over 100 years old, most of them. And but you can download them and use in your crafting, in your junk journals, and in your scrapbooking. There's so many images. There's probably, I don't know, I want to say 5,000 images. They're all free. Free, free, free. So go join, and instead of worrying about where am I going to store it, they're always on that page. So there you go, guys. Have a blessed day.